Hello, and welcome to the Funeral Program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized and loving memory keepsakes. Today we'd like to feature our contemporary funeral program designs. Our modern backgrounds are easy to use and offer maximum flexibility for creating your next printed memorial. You will find hundreds of background designs in this category. Choose your preferred color design in our various different styles. You can edit these templates in software you already own, such as Microsoft Word, Publisher, Apple Pages, and now Google Docs. You won't find these backgrounds anywhere else online except at our online superstore. Visit us today and see why we're America's template and memorial superstore. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming helpful videos, only available here at thefuneralprogramsite.com.